Hello everyone, welcome to the course of Automotive Manufacturing Processes and Technology. Myself, Vimal Salot from LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology. In this session, we are going to discuss about some introductory aspect of this subject. So to get started with, what is manufacturing process? In broadest sense, it is defined as the process of converting raw material into a finished product or a final product. In our day-to-day life, we are using so many finished products. All these finished products are made from some raw material, and the raw material has passed through some manufacturing process, and finally we get the finished product. In broadest sense, we can say that manufacturing means making of a finished product by hand or by a machine, or with the combination of man and machine. Now let's see what are the different types of manufacturing process or classification of manufacturing processes. Broadly, they are classified in two categories, that is primary manufacturing processes and secondary manufacturing processes. In case of primary manufacturing processes, there is no any metal removal or machining operation is involved. But in case of secondary manufacturing processes, there is some metal cutting or machining operations are involved. Further, primary manufacturing processes are classified in two categories, that is casting and forming, and secondary manufacturing processes are further classified in two categories, that is fabrication, in which you have to study about different types of the metal joining processes, that is welding, brazing, soldering, and metal removal processes, in which you have to study about different types of the machining operations which can be performed by some machine tools. Now let's see the content of this subject chapter wise. You have to study 5 chapters in your syllabus, that is machining, casting, forming and shaping, welding and plastic technology. Now let's see the chapter of machining. In this chapter, you have to study different types of the machine tools, their construction, working, and the commonly performed operations on these machine tools. For example, lathe machine, shaper machine, milling machine, grinding machine, drilling machine, etc. Now, we are using the word machine tool and not machine, because there is difference between machine and machine tool. So let's see what is that difference. Machine may be defined as an assembly of mechanism which takes in some input energy and converts it into some useful output work. For example, refrigerator, washing machine, air conditioner. All these are the example of machine. You should notice that here no any metal removal processes are involved in any case of the machine. That is known as a machine. Now, what is machine tool? Machine tool is defined as a machine which performs some metal cutting or machining operation by having a relative movement between workpiece and cutting tool. That is machine tool. So in case of machine tool, some metal removal operations are involved. For example, lathe machine, drilling machine, shaper machine, all these are the examples of machine tool wherein some relative movement between workpiece and cutting tool is given, and by that movement metal cutting operation is performed. In case of lathe machine, workpiece is revolved and cutting tool is given feed motion. In case of drilling machine, the drill bit, that is cutting tool, is given rotary motion and drilling action is performed. In case of shaper machine, the cutting tool is given reciprocating movement and workpiece is held in a machine wise, and by that action metal is removed. So these are some examples. We will study in detail about all these operations in our next session. Now In case of machine tool, there are mainly three types of the motions are involved. That is primary motion, secondary motion, and auxiliary motion. Now, what is primary motion? Primary motion is that kind of motion by which cutting action takes place. For example, in case of lathe machine, rotation of workpiece is primary motion. In case of drilling machine, rotation of drill bit is primary motion. Then secondary motion. The feed motion which is provided to the cutting tool is known as the secondary motion. And in case of auxiliary motions, there are some motions which are involved to or which are necessary to complete the machining task, like clamping of workpiece, clamping of cutting tool, clamping of table, clamping of clamping or setting of tailstock center. So all these are some examples of the auxiliary motion. Next chapter is casting. It is the only process wherein molten metal is used. So what is this process? Here, first of all, pattern is prepared, and by help of pattern, mold cavity is prepared, and in this mold cavity, molten metal is poured. Here you can see in this photographic view of the procedure, it is a molten metal which is being poured into mold cavity. After pouring, it is allowed to cool down for some time, and when it gets solidified, it will get the exact shape that is of the pattern or the mold cavity. So now obtained product is known as the casting. There are some components which are very large in size or complicated in shape, which is not possible to achieve with conventional machining operation. So in that type of category, casting is the only manufacturing process. You have to also study about pattern and pattern making, core and core making, and the complete casting procedure. Next chapter is forming and shaping process. Here you have to study types of the press and some cold working processes like stamping, blanking, forming, bending, forging, etc. The machine tool which is used is known as a press machine, and punch and die is the tool which is used to perform the necessary operation. The capacity of this machine is defined in terms of the ton. So it may be having 5-ton capacity, 10-ton capacity, like that. Here no any heat energy is involved. That's why they are known as the cold working processes. Next chapter is welding. It is actually metal joining operation in which by applying heat energy and pressure, the fusion is obtained. But there are some techniques of welding wherein no pressure energy is used. Now, one important point about welding is that the strength of the joint is very good, and it is in comparison with the parent metal. Different types of the weldings that we are going to study about are gas welding. In case of gas welding, oxygen and acetylene are the generally or commonly used gases. Oxygen cylinder is of generally black color and acetylene cylinder is of red color. By that color difference, we can identify easily the gas which is filled in the cylinder. Next is arc welding. In case of arc welding, one metal electrode is used. It may be consumable or non-consumable, and filler metal is also used. AC or DC source is used. So one cable is connected with the electrode, another cable is connected to the workpiece, and by having that heat energy that is produced by the electrode, in between the electrode and workpiece, the welding action takes place, that is known as the arc welding. And next welding, that is resistance welding. In case of resistance welding, two copper electrodes are used, and generally this technique is applied to the sheet metal which have comparatively smaller thickness. So we know that copper has the highest electrical conductivity as compared to other metal. So in case of this resistance welding, the heat energy is produced in between the gap between the two sheet metal, and by that the welding action takes place. It is also known as the spot welding. In the chapter of plastic technology, you have to study about classification of plastic, properties of the plastics. We know that nowadays in our day-to-day life also we are using plastic, and it is widely used because it has some very good properties like corrosion resistance, good strength. So we are going to study about some manufacturing processes of plastic like compression molding, injection molding, extrusion molding, blow molding, etc. So it is a content of your syllabus, and in depth we will study about each and every chapter in our next sessions. Thank you very much for watching.